Physics questions and answer. Physical quantities. Answer T. Number 2. Which of the following is not one of the fundamental quantities in physics? C. Weight. Number 3. Which of the following is derived quantity in physics? D. Velocity. Number 4. Which of the following is scalar quantity? Answer number D. Electrostatic potential. Question number 5. Which of the following is not vector quantity? Answer A. Speed.